Fasten your seatbelts, folks, because we're about to dive headfirst into the thrilling world of heavy machinery. This is not just any machinery, but the kind that transforms the raw, untamed power of nature into something we can use and build with. Imagine the sheer force and precision required to take a towering tree and turn it into planks, beams, and boards. It's a process that combines raw power with intricate engineering, and it's nothing short of awe-inspiring. Get ready for a symphony of roaring engines, crunching wood, and the raw power of machines designed to tame even the mightiest trees. These machines are the unsung heroes of the logging industry, working tirelessly to break down massive logs into manageable pieces. The sound of a saw biting into wood, the sight of a splitter cleaving a log in two. It's a ballet of brute force and precision. Each machine plays its part in this grand orchestra, creating a harmony of mechanical might. From vintage contraptions to modern marvels, we'll explore the ingenuity and muscle behind these epic machines. The evolution of wood processing technology is a testament to human innovation. Early log splitters, with their simple yet effective designs, laid the groundwork for the sophisticated machinery we see today. Modern machines, with their advanced hydraulics and computerized controls, are marvels of engineering. They represent the pinnacle of our ability to harness and direct raw power. This isn't just about brute force, though. It's about the skill of the operators, the precision of the engineering, and the constant push for efficiency and safety. Operating these machines requires a deft touch and a keen understanding of both the machinery and the material. The operators are the conductors of this symphony, guiding the machines with skill and precision. And behind every machine is a team of engineers and technicians, constantly working to improve performance and ensure safety. We'll uncover the stories behind these machines, the challenges they overcome, and the crucial role they play in our world. Each machine has a story to tell, from the design and engineering challenges to the daily grind of operation and maintenance. We'll hear from the people who build, maintain, and operate these machines, gaining insight into the world of wood processing. The challenges they face are immense, from dealing with the sheer size and weight of the logs to ensuring the safety of the operators. So whether you're a seasoned logger, a DIY enthusiast, or simply fascinated by the power of these mechanical behemoths, get ready for an exhilarating ride. The world of wood processing is vast and varied, with machines of all sizes and capabilities. From the massive industrial machines used in commercial logging to the smaller, more accessible machines used by DIY enthusiasts, there's something here for everyone. Each machine, big or small, plays a crucial role in transforming raw wood into usable material. This is a celebration of the machines that help us harness the raw potential of nature's giants. Let the sawdust fly. These machines are more than just tools. They are the bridge between nature and human ingenuity. They allow us to take the raw, untamed power of the forest and transform it into something we can use to build, create, and innovate. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show as we celebrate the incredible world of wood processing machinery. In a world of sleek, high-tech machinery, there's a certain charm to the rugged simplicity of vintage equipment. These old machines, with their worn edges and time-tested mechanisms, tell a story of resilience and craftsmanship. They remind us of a time when things were built to last, not just to be replaced. Take, for instance, the old-school log splitter, a testament to American ingenuity and built-to-last durability. This machine, with its robust frame and powerful engine, has been a reliable companion for many a woodcutter. It's not just a tool, it's a piece of history, a symbol of hard work and perseverance. This isn't some fancy computerized contraption. It's a machine with grit, powered by a rumbling engine and the sweat of hard work. The gears and levers, though simple, are a marvel of engineering, designed to withstand the test of time. Each component, from the engine to the splitter blade, has a story to tell. Imagine the stories this machine could tell. Years of splitting seasoned oak, tough hickory, and maybe even the occasional stubborn knot that put up a good fight. Each log it splits is a testament to its enduring strength and reliability. The sound of the engine, the feel of the wood splitting, it's a symphony of hard work and dedication. The paint might be faded, and the metal might bear the marks of countless cords of wood, but this splitter just keeps chugging along. The rust and wear are not signs of weakness, but badges of honor, proof of the countless hours of labor it has endured. It's a reminder that true strength lies not in perfection, but in resilience. There's a certain satisfaction in using a machine that stood the test of time. It's a reminder that sometimes the old ways are still the best. The feel of the handle, the sound of the engine, it's a connection to the past, a link to a simpler time. It's a reminder that progress isn't always about moving forward. Sometimes it's about holding on to what works. The vintage log splitter might not have all the bells and whistles of its modern counterparts, but it gets the job done with a raw, unyielding spirit. It's a machine that doesn't rely on fancy technology or complex systems. Instead, it relies on pure mechanical power and the skill of the operator. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. It's a symbol of a bygone era, a time when machines were built to last and hard work was a badge of honor. It's a reminder of the values that built this country, values of perseverance, resilience, and a commitment to quality. It's a piece of history that continues to live on, a testament to the enduring spirit of those who built it. And in a world that's constantly chasing the newest and shiniest thing, there's something undeniably cool about that. It's a reminder that sometimes the best things in life are the ones that have stood the test of time. The vintage log splitter is more than just a machine. It's a symbol of a time when things were built to last, a time when hard work and craftsmanship were valued above all else. It's a reminder that in a world of constant change, some things are worth holding on to. While raw power has its place, sometimes the job calls for finesse and accuracy. In the world of woodworking, the ability to make precise cuts can be the difference between a project that is merely good and one that is truly exceptional. The tools we use play a crucial role in this process, and having the right equipment can elevate our craftsmanship to new heights. That's where the Sega Nastro bandsaw steps in, a machine that embodies precision and reliability. This bandsaw is engineered to provide the kind of accuracy that professional woodworkers and artisans demand. Whether you're working on a large-scale project or a delicate piece, the Sega Nastro ensures that every cut is clean and precise. This isn't your grandpa's old bandsaw gathering dust in the corner of the workshop. While those vintage tools have their charm and historical value, the Sega Nastro represents the evolution of bandsaw technology. It's a modern marvel that combines the best of traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge innovation. This is a professional-grade tool designed for those who demand the best. It's built to withstand the rigors of daily use in a busy workshop, providing consistent performance and reliability. The Sega Nastro is not just a tool, it's an investment in quality and precision. Imagine the smooth, controlled cuts this machine can make, slicing through hardwoods like butter. The power and precision of the Sega Nastro allow you to tackle even the toughest materials with ease. Whether you're cutting through thick slabs of oak or delicate veneers, this bandsaw delivers flawless results every time. The Sega Nastro bandsaw is a favorite among woodworkers and artisans for a reason. Its versatility and precision make it an indispensable tool in any workshop. From hobbyists to professional craftsmen, everyone who uses the Sega Nastro appreciates its ability to handle a wide range of tasks with ease. It's not just about making straight cuts, it's about achieving those intricate curves and precise angles that elevate a project from good to exceptional. The Sega Nastro excels in this regard, allowing you to create complex shapes and detailed designs with confidence. Whether you're crafting a custom piece of furniture or an intricate wooden sculpture, this bandsaw gives you the control and precision you need to bring your vision to life. Think of the furniture makers, the instrument builders, the artists who rely on the Sega Nastro to bring their visions to life. These craftsmen understand the importance of precision and the role that a high-quality bandsaw plays in their work. The Sega Nastro is more than just a tool. It's a trusted partner in their creative process. This machine is more than just a tool. It's an extension of their creativity, a partner in crafting beautiful and functional works of art. The Sega Nastro allows artisans to push the boundaries of their craft, exploring new techniques and achieving results that would be impossible with lesser equipment. The Sega Nastro bandsaw is a testament to the fact that sometimes the quiet hum of a well-tuned machine is just as impressive as the roar of a powerful engine. In a world where noise and chaos often dominate, the smooth operation of the Sega Nastro is a welcome change. It allows you to focus on your work, knowing that your tools are performing at their best. It's a reminder that true craftsmanship lies in the details, and that precision is its own form of power. The Sega Nastro Band saw embodies this philosophy, providing the accuracy and control needed to create truly exceptional work. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this bandsaw will help you achieve your best work. So the next time you're in the workshop, consider the tools you use. Remember that the right equipment can make all the difference. With the Sega Nastro bandsaw, you're not just cutting wood, you're crafting a masterpiece. This machine is designed to help you realize your creative potential, turning your ideas into reality with precision and ease. Maintenance is also a breeze with the Sega Nastro. Its user-friendly design makes it easy to keep in top condition, ensuring that it remains a reliable part of your workshop for years to come. Regular maintenance and care will keep your bandsaw performing at its best, allowing you to focus on what you do best: creating. And for those who are teaching the next generation of woodworkers, the Sega Nastro is an excellent tool to pass on the values of precision and craftsmanship. Its ease of use and reliability make it a perfect choice for apprentices and seasoned professionals alike. By using the Sega Nastro, you're not just creating beautiful work, you're also fostering a tradition of excellence that will inspire future generations. In the end, the Sega Nastro bandsaw is more than just a piece of equipment. It's a symbol of dedication to the craft, a testament to the importance of precision, and a tool that empowers woodworkers to create their best work. With the Sega Nastro, the possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. So, as you close up your workshop for the day, take a moment to appreciate the tools that help you bring your visions to life. The Sega Nastro bandsaw is there to support you every step of the way, ensuring that your work is always a cut above the rest.